Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so today is an exciting video. So today I'm going to show you a few ways you can add your wrinkles or treat your wrinkles or whatever. And then I'm going to share with you how to take the perfect selfie without showing them wrinkles. And if you're excited for this video, guys, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join my family, y'all. Help me out here. Help a girl out. Before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup videos now. I'm sure y'all can see all that by now. So if you like makeup, you're going to love my channel. And then if you like to do other stuff, like that word will get me demonetized, but that and like, you know, I like all kinds of stuff, y'all. Just hit the subscribe button. It's free. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which were some spoilers for the Ipsy Standard January bag. Congratulations, Sandra Finney. Sandra said, yay, I'm first. Thanks for the spoilers. Well, you're more than welcome, Sandra. I really enjoy putting out these spoilers. And, honey, thank you for all your support. You're always on my videos. I notice you all the time, honey, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, honey. I love you, girl. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have one out of two chances to get it. You could either set your bow and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Now first, I'm going to share with you some tips how you can prevent some wrinkles. And listen, I'm only 30 something. I ain't telling y'all my real age, so don't be asking. Anyways, I'm in my 30s, you know, early 30s, way early 30s. And I got the wrinkles already. I got the fine lines, the wrinkles. I got one of the most animated faces I've ever seen in my family. So, you know, I crease up a lot. But anyways, let's get started. Alright guys, so it's always good. You can plump up your skin with a moisturizer, lotion, whatever you want to use. But make sure you're using your lotions and moisturizers at least twice a day, in the mornings and at night. And also apply a layer before your makeup. Keeps drawing in moisture and plumping up our face, y'all. So, plumps out the wrinkles. Using retinoids is another good way. I don't know what that means, so y'all have to Google that. Don't be overdoing the anti-agers, y'all. Just pick one or two of them and use them. Because, you know, if you use a lot of them, it can start to irritate your skin. Alright, now, guys, we're going to dip into the makeup. So, to fill in your lines and wrinkles and stuff like that, use a silicone-based primer. Now, another good way, guys, is I use an eyeshadow primer. Because just think how tough eyeshadow primer is. So I'll take my eyeshadow primer and I'll put them right directly on top of my wrinkles and the lines around my mouth and these nasty ones on my forehead, which won't go away because I can't afford Botox. Also use a hydrating foundation. Now, the more sheer, the better it's going to look. This is one of those things, too much is, well, just too damn much. Okay, so older people like myself, you need to not use a whole lot of the foundation, and also use the beauty blender. Well, I use my brush to blend out my foundation, and then I'll go in with the beauty blender because first of all, it's going to shear it out. It's going to take all the excess off. Leave you with a perfect foundation finish. Now, if you're not into the sheer foundations like me, I have to have a full coverage foundation. What you can do is take your concealer and tap it on those spots that you need it on. Take it easy on that powder, y'all. Okay, the older we get, that powder's going to settle in our fine lines and wrinkles. I can't bake no more. I can't do it like I used to when I was younger. So a very light hand with the powder. All you need is a light dusting of it over top of any creams. And another thing, use a lot more creams than you are powders. Like use a cream highlighter, use a cream blush. When you do use your blush, this is another tip, y'all. Don't be applying your blush too high or don't be applying it too low. So what you do is you want to give a little slight smile and then tap it right on that apple and then blend back. Another thing, guys, is playing up your eyeshadow. So that's going to take the focus away from the fine lines and wrinkles and all that, straight to your eyes. Now, lip liner trick, if you do have wrinkles or fine lines in your lips, do this, y'all. Use a lip liner and then fill in your lips with the lip liner. You don't need to fill it in full color. Just make sure the little bit of color is there. And then take your finger and dab a little bit of lip stain on. Just a very light amount. And guess what? Your wrinkles are gone no matter what you put on top of it. Chiffon should be your favorite color now, guys. Now, these are color correctors. Again, you know how orange is for the bags and stuff. Chiffon is a natural brightener. That's when you put it around the wrinkles or on the wrinkles, it's going to be lifting the darkness from those wrinkles. So make sure you look up that color to see what it is and get you some. Another thing is kind of dumb, but bangs hide your wrinkles. I have no bangs, so I can't do that. But it's just a little bit friendly advice. Avoid glitters being in like your highlighters and blush. Shimmer's fine. Just try to avoid the glitters. Now, glitter is fine on your lips and eyes if you want to use them there. And even if you want to use them on your cheeks, you can. Everybody to each their own. Now, guys, just as I promised, your selfie hacks. So the thing that you want to do, especially somebody like me who's got old skin with lines and wrinkles everywhere, you want to hold your camera up and you want to be looking up, because when you're looking up, that's going to hide your eye bags, y'all. And then you want to slightly raise your brow, and that's going to take that out. Or you can have a hand behind the head and kind of pull your skin tight right there, y'all. Anytime you're looking down at the camera, that shows your bag so bad, y'all. And another thing, lighting is your best friend whenever you're taking selfies if you got wrinkles and eye bags like me. Have the light facing right at you. Natural light is beautiful, but if you can't get a hold of it, like today's a rainy day and I'm in the bathroom, okay? Turn on every light you got, but the more light you got and it's focused right at you, you can't see anything. Y'all can't tell that I look like I'm 90 years old, can you? Another thing, y'all, is extending your head away from your neck. And what I mean by that is the giraffe neck. You're holding your phone. Now, I know this looks kind of crazy. Let me show y'all. Do y'all see that? Now, I know I look kind of crazy. I want to make sure y'all see that good. Now, I know I look kind of crazy, but what that's going to do is slim out your neck, and it's just going to take away that double chin. Another thing, if you want to lay anything white up under your chin, as long as you don't see it in a photo, that is also going to bounce some light. Ooh, camera, don't you ever cut me off again. As I was trying to say, guys, it will bounce the light up on your face, so that makes the double chin and the wrinkles and lines go away if you're taking a picture that close. And camera, as for you cutting me off, I'm going to deal with you later. That is it for this video, y'all. So now let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, I'm probably going to butcher this, but I'm so sorry. So congratulations, Jennifer. Is it Tobin? I hope I'm saying that right, honey. If I'm not, don't come after me. I'm weak. You wouldn't have no fun at it. Jennifer says, am I the only one who loves this voiceover? Your voice reminds me of an eloquent Southern woman. Oh my gosh, Jennifer, that comment made me blush. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Thank you, honey, for all your support on my channel, and I really appreciate it. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, leave a comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please double check. Make sure you're still subscribed because YouTube's taking it all away. I just want to make sure y'all are still subscribing. If y'all haven't, what the hell are you waiting on, y'all? It's 100% free. Go ahead and hit that button. Then rate my video for me. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, don't matter. If you hit thumbs down, a little hurtful, but, to each their own. I don't know how I forgot this part, but make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. I also do a lot of spoilers, and you damn sure don't want to miss none of them. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.